The product uses AA batteries. When the battery is installed, start the network configuration. When the product makes the first beep, you need to use the remote control to perform the network configuration. When the product makes the second beep, the network configuration of the product is completed. The first button is the arm button, the second is the disarm button, the third is the car search button, and the fourth is the bell button for emergency alarm. In the arm state, the product will sound 3 alarm beeps when it is moved for the first time, and will continue to sound the alarm if it is moved again afterwards. In the disarm state, moving the product will not trigger an alarm.